Number Addition Part 1 with Teacher Farah.
Can you see that these number bonds are like pictures that help us with addition? The first number bond tells us that 3 and 7 make 10. And we can translate this into a math addition sentence. Let's see how we do that. Well, 3 and 7 make 10. Let's keep the numbers and change the words into something that we use in math to stand for the same idea. Alright? So we'll keep the number 3, 7 and 10. When we see the word and in English, it usually means to put some things together. Correct? And we are going to use the plus sign to add the number 3 and 7. Then what about the word make? We are going to turn this into an equal sign. See what we have now? We have magically turned 3 and 7 makes 10 into a math addition sentence. 3 plus 7 equals 10. What we are saying is that one part plus another part gives us the whole. 7 is a part and 3 is a part. And when we put the parts together, we'll get a whole, and that's 10. The order of 7 and 3 doesn't really matter. We can also say 7 plus 3 equals 10, and we'll still be correct.
Children, now I want you to take out your hands-on math book B1 and please open page 19. We're going to do this homework together. Okay, finger point. Let's reread the instruction. Read the story. Write the correct number in each box. You see, we have box here. 1, 2, 3 box. Okay, now we see number 1. You see, got picture here. Let's read together. Lily is playing computer games. Oh, you see, Lily is playing computer games. Okay, now we see second picture. John and May join in. You see, John and May want to join Lily to play the computer games. Okay, now we see the question number 3. How many children are playing computer games now? Okay, in this box, how many numbers that we need to put? What is the number that we need to put? Okay, you see, question number 1. Who is playing games? Lily. Lily is alone, so Lily is 1 only. So you must put 1 in this box. And you see the second one. He said John and May join in. John and May. How many of them? How many of them? 1, 2. So we write number 2 in this box. So 1 and 2 makes, okay, you see picture number 3. Let's recount together. How many children is playing? How many children are playing games now? 1, 2, 3. So we write here 3. 1 and 2 makes 3.